Maestro, the legend, Mr. A.R. Rahman. Give it up for him. I think यहाँ पे कोई भी इंसान नहीं होगा जिसके favorite music composer, singer, Rahman साहब नहीं होंगे. Sir, thank you so much.
I just want to thank my
Yes, sir. Please.
David on drums, Nilanjan on the bass, Nakul keyboard, Rangapriya on the violin, Vagu on guitar, Ashwin on the flute, Sanket on percussions, backing vocals, Sarath, Arvind Prasanna, Abhijit, Nayan C, Gayatri, Purvi, Arya, and Muskan. So we have lead singers Mohit, Rakshita, Heer, and Nitesh. Nitesh, thank you so much. Thank you.
And of course, Mr. A.R. Rahman. Sir, thank you so much for doing this, giving us such beautiful music yet again. What would you like to say to all the lovely people who've come out to see you and listen to your magic, sir?
I think I've come here before 12 years, I think. And it's such incredible, it's an incredible place. When you come in, there's lakes and cleanliness, and everybody's commenting about how clean it is. And I hope we come back again with a full setup, Wonderment Tour or something. And I have to give it to Telugu film industry for moving ahead and spreading its wings across India. And I'm proud to be a part of it.
So whatever you do is really special for each and every Indian, each and every music lover. But this, so we know this is really special for you too, because you know, you've been there for the promotions, of course. You've been talking about your films. You've always done that in the past. But ये इसके साथ एक बड़ा खास connection है sir का. I would want you to talk about that, sir. Peddi and A.R. Rahman साहब. This is special.
Coming from Tamil Nadu and doing Tamil films and Hindi and Telugu before, most of the Telugu films are dubbed films. And the Telugu audience have embraced it so much. And seeing the success of Bahubali and how adventurous and ambitious Telugu industry is, I thought, okay, it's high time to join and do something great with them. And when Buchi Babu came, Mr. Sukumar came to my house and pitched the project, I just really loved it. And I'm glad that the songs are doing well, and I'm a part of this amazing team.
What would you like to say about the actors, sir? Because we know that you've seen the movie. I would want you to unofficially review the movie. Satish sir, with your kind permission, shall we do that? Like with Rahman Saab, the legend. I would want you to review the movie, sir. What did you see in this movie, like jo bhi ab tak dekha hai?
Every frame has Ramcharan, like it's 100%. 100% of him, whether it's dancing, he's elevated my song to another level. His dance has made the song come alive. Sometimes you just make a song, dance song, and it's a song. It's used as background, but every move of it's become viral, and I admire this whole team. Janvi at the same time, and all the other actors here, and Buchi Babu, of course, with his passion and everything.
We're loving the energy, sir. Yeah. We're loving that big smile that is saying a lot about the music. Wonderful, wonderful musicians, wonderful, wonderful team. Any one favorite from this movie, sir? Because everything is like a gem. Any one favorite that you'd like to talk about?
My favorites are in the background too. So there are new songs in the background, and we don't want to reveal anything now. But because the movie required all the stuff, so some of my favorites, we're going to release those. Which is not intended, but it just came into the movie.
Thank you so much for being here, sir, for doing this for all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, भोपाल की जनता से मैं गुजारिश करूंगा एक बार जोरदार तालियां थैंक यू बोलने के लिए इस लेजेंड को मिस्टर A.R. Rahman. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर. Thank you so much, sir. Enjoy the rest of the evening. शुक्रिया. Wow, that was fabulous, ladies and gentlemen.